Guys, Swapnil here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a tutorial as to how you can go ahead and download Google Pixel 3 and 3 XL wallpapers on your current Android smartphone and have a little bit of that Pixel experience for yourself. The devices, the Pixel 3 and the 3 XL haven't been launched yet, but the wallpapers are out courtesy of XDA developers. So this is an article by XDA developers. So I'll leave a link to this article in the description. You need to head on to this link and you need to go to this particular link right here, and you should download Google Pixel 3 live wallpapers for Android 8.0 and 8.1. That's a mirror link if you have that version, or else if you have a previous version of Android you can click on this one. So I'll go ahead and download this now. That the download has occurred, we are having a prompt to install the APK. In the case if you haven't already allowed installation from unknown sources, you should go ahead and do it now. You'll see a prompt, just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be able to allow it. It won't have any bad influence on your smartphone, so don't worry at all. So we should install this app now. Let's go ahead and install. Well, the app has now been installed. Click on done. Let's go to home. You'll need another app to access those wallpapers, for which you should go to Play Store. You should search for wallpaper. As you can see, this is Wallpapers app from Google. I'll leave a link to this as well in the description, so you can download both the apps straight away. You'll need this app to access those wallpapers. So go to wallpapers now, go to this wallpapers, live wallpapers, and as you can see you have access to all the new Google Pixel 3 live wallpapers. Let's go ahead and set this wallpaper. As you can see, the wallpaper has now been set. It does have a parallax effect, most of the wallpapers do actually. I'll show you a couple of more. I'm using my Nexus 5X here for this purpose. So this is one of the other wallpapers. So if we lock the phone and if we unlock, you'll see a bit of a pattern on the screen. As you can see, this pattern, which looks really nice. One of my favorite wallpaper here is this one, which involves a moon. This right here is one of my favorite wallpapers, as you'll see now. Just concentrate on this part of the screen. So as you saw, that animation looks pretty nice, and most of the wallpapers here do have such animations. So the link to those two apps are in the description. If you're interested, you can download from those two links, and this is how you use Google Pixel 3 wallpapers on any Android smartphone. If you have any doubts regarding this process, please do leave them in the comment section down below and I'll make sure to answer them. And the link to, as I already mentioned, link to the XDA article as well as Wallpapers app from Google is in there in the description. Well, if you enjoyed this video, do give this video a thumbs up, and you can also subscribe down below. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video.